Welcome to NUITEQ Chorus, where students move from consumers of content to creators of content. In this video, we'll explore the student dashboard, where students can access assignments, create content, and track their progress, all in one engaging workspace. Once students sign in to their Chorus account, they will arrive at the class page. From here, students can view their classes and select one to see the open and the completed assignments. Open assignments are those that still need to be finished, while completed ones include graded work and teacher feedback. In the top right corner, you'll find the user profile. Hover over it to open the menu, where you'll see options for My Profile, Language Selection, the Spotlight and Color Overlay tools, as well as the Release Notes, Chorus Video Tutorials, Educational Videos, the User Guide, and Webinars. Selecting My Profile takes you to the Personal page, where you'll see username and language preferences. Students can choose to receive email notifications or view recommended lesson activities after completing one. To make changes, select the Edit Profile icon. Here, students can update their name, change the language, and upload a wallpaper available for users on ClearTouch Interactive 6000A+ displays or the Next Hub. To change the password, select the Change Password icon. Enter the current password, then the new one, at least 8 characters, including upper and lowercase letters and numbers. The Community section lets students explore and play lesson activities and symphony whiteboards created by others in the Chorus community. It's a great way to see creative examples and learn new concepts. At NUITEQ, we believe students learn best by creating. From the Create dropdown, students can build their own lesson activities or symphony whiteboards. All content created by students can be shared into a group. In lesson activities, select the 3-dot More Options menu and then choose Share with Group. From the Lesson Activities Edit screen, choose the 3-line menu in the top left corner, then select Share with Group. For Symphony whiteboards, simply open the 3-dot menu on the Symphony thumbnail, select Share with Group, and choose which group to share it with. Be sure to consent to the NUITEQ Chorus Terms of Use first. The Symphony whiteboard is your digital makerspace. Here, students can brainstorm, illustrate concepts, and collaborate, all on an infinite interactive canvas. As a student, the Symphony menu includes options to create a new Symphony whiteboard, lock or unlock panning, center the page, pin the doc, switch to advanced mode, download the work as a PDF, and access help anytime it is needed. The Classes section is where students find assignments. Open assignments show the work that still needs to be completed. If an assignment has a due date, it will appear on the thumbnail. And if it's past due, it'll be marked expired. For lesson activities, the score and item level analysis appear right after submission, giving students instant feedback. For Symphony assignments, students will need to click Submit when done. These may include creative and subjective elements the teacher will review manually before assigning a score. Once students have completed assignments, they can review their progress on the completed assignments section. Here, students will see their overall percentage average, a visual representation of their performance, and feedback from their teacher. Click any score to view detailed feedback or item-by-item results. Students can also message their teacher directly through the Chorus platform. The NUITEQ Chorus Student Dashboard gives students everything they need to learn, create, and grow in one easy-to-use space. From viewing assignments to building their own lessons, Chorus helps students take ownership of their learning journey.